everybody. You haven't seen me in a really long time, or maybe you've seen me in person, but you haven't seen a video from me in quite a long time. And you're going to see one of the very many reasons why. We've been very busy at Sonora Design, and I have a very special visit I'm doing. We're visiting our Bancroft. I am visiting our Bancroft project today to help them spot where the plumbing fixtures and the accessories and talk about tile layouts and all that good stuff, just to get this straightened out for the project and have a look at all the beautiful progress they're making. So you can see behind me, it's drywall. And this is going to be a really, really gorgeous place that we're going to sell. So if it looks really beautiful to you and you want to live in Bancroft, or you want an amazing property here, you'll see the really beautiful view it has out the back once the dirt is distributed. So stay tuned. I'm gonna turn this video around so I can give you a little walkthrough and show you some of the main spaces. All right, guys. That opening you see here, because we're indoors, looks like heaven beyond that door, but that is the garage. So this is where they're staging most of the stuff here, but this is the nice 2-car garage. And then you can see this is our mudroom space behind me. So where all of this stuff is leaned, there's actually some gorgeous cabinetry to store your stuff in. We're gonna have cubbies open to the floor, so you can put your shoes directly on the floor when they're muddy and dirty. And we have this beautiful run all the way to the back. So when you come in through the door you normally would from the car, hi Carlos, you can see the gorgeous view out the back. So if we turn to our right, that's Nikki in the background, another part of the amazing crew. That's our front door, and this is the amazing ceiling heights and the gorgeous place. We're going to have a built-in entry closet with the gorgeous slabs of wood there. And then to your right here is the really gorgeous, this is our great room. So you guys saw this, I think I gave you some studded, this in the studded phase. That's going to be a fireplace over there. We're going to have shelving and niches with a beautiful wood finish. To my right here, there's going to be built-in millwork and a hidden bar area that we're going to have. We have quite a beautiful view. I'm going to give you another angle of this view. We have these 3 sets of doors that bring you out back. Sorry, 4. I can't count today. It's hard looking through the camera. We have this gorgeous view here. This volume you're looking at here is the powder room, which is going to be really pretty. I'll save that for a future visit. Down this hallway between, this is our kitchen area. Down the hallway is 2 bedrooms and a Jack and Jill bathroom, which is going to be really cool. And then this is, I showed you guys in the studded phase, this is our kitchen and family room and dining room area. So you can see that's where our chandelier goes. We have a gorgeous L-shaped kitchen with an island going in here with Fisher Paykel appliances. We have a really modern look to the kitchen. We've gotten really creative to make the kitchen look great and put a pop of color in here. And this is a peek of the view, which is really beautiful on this property. So that is a gorgeous creek running through Bancroft here. Actually, anybody who's been to Bancroft or lived here, that is the eagle's nest you can see from here. So I'm hoping I can find this on old photos. They say Eagle's Nest is closed right now, so I can't go visit it to give you guys pictures from above. But this will be gone. We're gonna flatten everything and grade it really beautifully, but we have this gorgeous view of the creek behind us, and I can tell you the trees are looking really beautiful around here. This is just in progress. Just a little preview, guys. This is our amazing, huge walk-through closet. That's actually an entry into a multi-purpose room in the guest suite. So it could be a nanny suite, it could be a caregiver suite over there. And then this is the really generous master bedroom with your own indoor-outdoor living to the backyard where that gorgeous view is. This is our big, beautiful master bath. So we're gonna have a vanity along that wall. We're gonna have a huge, beautiful tub there, and we're gonna have a wet room here. This is gonna be a gorgeous big shower with a rain shower head at 10 feet. It's gonna be really like it's raining. And you get to also see this gorgeous view when you get up in the morning. How great is that? All right, guys, so that was my walkthrough. Thank you for joining me on that. You didn't have to stay for the whole thing, but if anyone's interested in this, if you think this is really cool and you think you may want to purchase this, it's not actually spoken for, let me know. That's totally up for grabs. For now, we're doing a beautiful Scandinavian feel in here. It's going to be a gorgeous destination place up here in Cottage Country, and everybody have a wonderful day.